Well, hello YouTubers. Here I am outside the glass doors I put up between the two containers, and I had to knock off for the day because the winds are at about 18 miles an hour now, and even just handling that little piece there above the door was a chore. They're coming from my left side right now, but they are pretty strong, and I went inside and closed the door up to that point, and it sure blocks the wind on the other side of it. But anyway, yeah, you can see I've got the some of the siding there. Got one more piece to put on, and I'll get that on tomorrow. I went to the Home Depot this morning because I needed some materials, and I used up all of my petty cash, so I'll have to wait until I get a little bit more, because I bought some more 2x6s, and as you can see, I got all the rafters in, running, well, the joists actually, and I got all my hangers hung, and I got my last hangers in there, but I was short on the 2x6s. I need two more to be halfway across here, so that tells me that I'll need 11, well, 12, 13 more 2x6s just for the joists running across, and I need 4 more for the fascias, the 2 fascias that go on the side, and then I'll need 2 more to come down the walls on both sides, because I'm going to have an overhead type garage door that flips up over there, and that'll be the end of this, and then I'll be able to start buying some sheathing, some OSB sheathing, and get the roof closed in on this. And I should have this all watertight and ready to start collecting rain before the winter comes again. The year is going by fast. We're going to be going into July here in another week. 7 months of the year are gone already. So anyway, the thing that took the most time was I had to move all the stuff from along the wall here so that I had places to put my ladder. Those glass doors are extras. They're all rotted on the bottom, and they're really no good for glass doors anymore, but I will save the glass on those. Those are going to be going into either a nice picture window on the front side of my patio, my porch, or something like that, or I'll take them apart and wood frame them and use those for part of my greenhouse. So that's it. It's going to be a short one today, just a few minutes in here. I just wanted to cover all of that before I go inside and relax and get out of the wind, take a shower, and have a cold one before I make my dinner. That's about all for today, everybody. Reminding you, G-Bear is reminding you to, whoop, it's over there. Give me a thumbs up down there, and like my videos, please. All right, that's about all. G-Bear signing off.